If you're over 60 and experience leg pain after walking, stop and pay attention. This is not a normal sign. It's a warning that your muscles may be lacking the proper nutrients. In today's video, there's a solution. 4 clinically proven foods that can help regenerate aging leg muscles and naturally eliminate pain. These foods are simple, affordable, and work quickly. The last food on the list is something most older adults are eating the wrong way, a mistake that's causing them to lose mobility day by day. Before we begin, be sure to like and comment your age, because after 60, every small change can help improve your health each day. Have you ever felt like your legs give out too soon, heavy, aching, or cramping after just a walk around the block? One major reason could be poor circulation, and beets might be the key. Beets may be humble, but for seniors struggling with tired, aching legs, they might just be the natural powerhouse your body has been waiting for. Loaded with dietary nitrates, beets help your body produce nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and opens up your blood vessels. And when blood vessels widen, more oxygen-rich blood flows to your leg muscles. That's not just science, it's relief. Because when muscles are starved for oxygen, they ache faster, fatigue sooner, and feel heavier with every step. But give them proper circulation, they come back to life, faster, stronger, more energized. And this isn't wishful thinking. One clinical trial published in the Journal of Applied Physiology showed that beetroot juice significantly improved walking endurance in older adults suffering from peripheral artery disease, a condition that makes walking painful due to poor circulation. Another study from Wake Forest University revealed that beet juice could boost oxygen delivery to muscles by up to 20%, even in seniors who weren't active. That's a huge gain from a small root. But beets don't stop at circulation. They're also rich in betalains, anti-inflammatory compounds that fight the slow-burning muscle inflammation that often creeps in with age. Plus, they naturally lower blood pressure, which helps protect your arteries and keeps your legs nourished. Beets are easy to enjoy. You can roast them with herbs, toss them raw into salads, or blend them into a smoothie. But the fastest acting form? Beet juice. Just 1 small glass a day is enough to start noticing better blood flow, sometimes within a week. If your legs often feel tired, heavy, or sore after walking, it's not just aging, it's your body asking for help. Beets are a simple, natural solution with the power to get you moving again. Try them for a week and feel the difference. If your legs ache after just a short walk, or your joints feel stiff even before you get out of bed, the problem may not be your age. It could be chronic inflammation. This invisible process quietly wears down muscles, stiffens joints, and slows recovery after everyday movement. For seniors, that means more soreness, more fatigue, and fewer steps taken each day. But there's a natural remedy hiding in plain sight. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is one of the most powerful foods for calming inflammation, restoring muscle comfort, and supporting long-term leg strength. The science backs it up. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology found that older adults with higher omega-3 intake experienced less muscle soreness and joint pain, even after mild activity. Another study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that omega-3s actually stimulate muscle protein synthesis, helping repair and strengthen muscles after exertion. What does that mean for you? Less pain after walking, faster recovery, and a renewed ability to enjoy the activities you love, without discomfort holding you back. But the benefits of salmon don't end with omega-3s. It's also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, a crucial nutrient for leg strength, balance, and bone density. Alarmingly, nearly half of adults over 65 are deficient in vitamin D, which increases the risk of falls, fractures, and weakened muscles. By eating salmon just 2-3 times a week, you're giving your body a natural boost, not just in strength, but also in stability and daily mobility. Adding salmon to your routine is easier than you might think. Grill it fresh, flake it into a salad, or make simple patties with wild canned salmon. Not a fan of fish? Ask your doctor about omega-3 supplements from fish oil or algae. But remember, consistency is key. It's the steady intake of these anti-inflammatory nutrients that makes your legs feel looser, lighter, and more resilient over time. So if you've been living with nagging leg pain, tightness, or fatigue, don't chalk it up to getting older. It might be inflammation, and salmon could be your best ally in fighting it. Try it for a few weeks and see how your legs respond. Sometimes the road to relief starts with what's on your plate. If your legs feel weaker than they used to, maybe they shake when you rise from a chair, fatigue too quickly on a walk, or just don't recover like they once did, magnesium could be the missing piece. And one of the most magnesium-rich, muscle-friendly foods you can eat is something simple, green, and often overlooked: spinach. This leafy green is a quiet powerhouse for aging muscles, packed with nutrients that support strength, balance, and recovery. Magnesium is essential for muscle contraction, nerve function, and stability, and spinach delivers it in abundance. The research is clear. A study published in Nutrients found that low magnesium intake was directly linked to increased muscle weakness in older adults, particularly in the legs. Another study from the Journal of the American Geriatric Society showed that seniors with higher magnesium levels had better mobility, fewer falls, and stronger walking endurance. But spinach brings more than magnesium to the table. It also contains potassium, which helps prevent cramps, iron, which boosts oxygen delivery to muscles, and natural nitrates, which improve blood flow. Together, these compounds rebuild muscle tissue, reduce soreness, and improve energy and stability, making every step feel easier. Spinach doesn't need to be complicated to be effective. Toss it into a smoothie, sauté it with olive oil and garlic, stir it into soups or stews, or simply wrap it into your lunchtime sandwich. Whether you use it fresh or frozen, spinach is affordable, easy to find, and quick to prepare. For maximum benefit, pair it with vitamin C-rich foods like lemon juice or bell peppers to enhance iron absorption. And if you use frozen spinach, check for added sodium if you're watching your blood pressure. If you've been struggling with tight, sore, or slow-recovering legs, it may not just be age, it may be a nutrient gap, and spinach offers a simple, natural fix. Just one handful a day can help rebuild muscle, restore strength, and improve your ability to move freely. It's a small change with big results, and your legs will thank you. Bananas are a go-to fruit for many seniors, and for good reason. They're soft, easy to digest, naturally sweet, and packed with potassium, a mineral vital for muscle function and preventing leg cramps. But here's the surprising truth. Most seniors are eating bananas the wrong way, and it may actually be making their leg pain worse instead of better. That's because while bananas offer plenty of potassium, they lack the one key nutrient your body needs to actually use that potassium effectively: magnesium. Potassium helps your muscles contract smoothly, maintains fluid balance, and plays a critical role in keeping leg cramps and soreness at bay. But as the National Institutes of Health highlights, without enough magnesium, especially in older adults whose kidney function or medication use may disrupt electrolyte balance, potassium can't do its job properly. The result? You might be eating a banana every morning and still experiencing cramps, tightness, or energy crashes. And if you're eating a banana alone on an empty stomach, the problem gets worse. Because of its high glycemic index, a banana eaten by itself can cause a rapid spike and drop in blood sugar, leaving you feeling drained, foggy, and even shakier on your feet. So what's the fix? Simple. Pair your banana wisely. Match it with magnesium-rich or protein-rich foods like a handful of almonds, a scoop of Greek yogurt, or a spoonful of peanut butter on whole grain toast. This combination slows sugar absorption, stabilizes energy levels, and provides the magnesium needed to help potassium support your muscles. A study in the American Journal of Physiology showed that individuals consuming potassium alongside magnesium and protein had faster recovery times and fewer cramps. And while the study focused on athletes, the benefits apply directly to seniors managing leg fatigue. Next time you reach for a banana, don't eat it alone. Choose a firm, yellow one to minimize sugar overload, and pair it with something that helps it work smarter, not harder. Try it with a few almonds before your morning walk, or slice it over Greek yogurt with chia seeds for a muscle-friendly breakfast. You'll turn this everyday fruit into a strategic powerhouse for leg strength, stability, and lasting energy. If you're struggling with cramps or soreness, don't give up on bananas, just eat them better. A simple change in how you pair your foods could be the key to restoring comfort, mobility, and strength in your daily steps. Now, you know the 4 essential foods that help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, build muscle, and prevent cramps. But the key is to incorporate them into your daily meals. Here is a simple, easy-to-follow 7-day meal plan that will help you enjoy your food every day while feeling a noticeable difference in your legs. Day 1 begins with a light and energizing breakfast. A Greek yogurt parfait layered with banana slices, chia seeds, and walnuts. For lunch, enjoy a spinach and roasted beet salad topped with goat cheese, chickpeas, and a lemon olive oil dressing. A small glass of beet juice in the afternoon delivers a quick circulation boost. Dinner features grilled salmon served with steamed broccoli and fluffy quinoa. Before your evening walk, pair a banana with almond butter for a satisfying, muscle-supporting snack. Day 2 starts with a comforting bowl of oatmeal topped with banana slices and pumpkin seeds, alongside a serving of Greek yogurt for added protein. At lunch, warm up with a spinach and lentil soup paired with whole grain toast. A refreshing beet smoothie blended with berries and Greek yogurt makes a great afternoon pick-me-up. Dinner includes pan-seared salmon accompanied by sautéed spinach and mashed sweet potatoes. Wind down the evening with a few almonds and a cup of calming chamomile tea. Day 3 kicks off with whole grain toast spread with peanut butter and topped with banana slices. For lunch, try a wrap filled with roasted beets, spinach, hummus, and grilled chicken. Snack on cucumber slices dipped in Greek yogurt. At dinner, savor baked salmon served with brown rice and roasted Brussels sprouts. Finish the day with a square of dark chocolate and herbal tea. Day 4 opens with a smoothie made from spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and flax seeds. Lunch includes a mixed green salad with tuna or canned wild salmon, beets, and a hard-boiled egg. In the afternoon, enjoy roasted chickpeas and a few almonds. Dinner offers grilled salmon with garlic sautéed spinach and mashed cauliflower. A small rice cake with peanut butter and a glass of warm almond milk make a gentle nighttime treat. Day 5 begins with scrambled eggs cooked with spinach, a slice of whole grain toast, and a side of banana slices. Lunch features a roasted beet and feta quinoa bowl over fresh arugula. Drink a small glass of beet juice for an afternoon energy lift. For dinner, make salmon cakes using canned wild salmon and serve them with a spinach and avocado side salad. End the evening with a banana and a handful of cashews. Day 6 starts with overnight oats topped with banana, cinnamon, and chopped walnuts. Lunch includes a spinach and mushroom omelet with a side of roasted beets. Snack on a banana with Greek yogurt or a low-sugar protein bar. Dinner offers grilled salmon tacos filled with avocado, spinach, and a crunchy cabbage slaw. Before bed, a small serving of Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey helps replenish nutrients. Day 7 begins with a smoothie combining spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and almond milk. Lunch is a hearty beet and quinoa salad with salmon flakes and fresh baby spinach. For a snack, try a small portion of trail mix with almonds, dried cranberries, and a few dark chocolate chips. Dinner closes the week with baked salmon, wild rice, and steamed green beans. Wrap up the day with whole grain crackers topped with banana slices and a light drizzle of peanut butter. But sometimes it helps to see how these foods work not just in theory, but in real life. What happens when someone actually follows this plan day by day, meal by meal? Let me share with you the story of Margaret, a quiet example of how the right foods can lead to powerful change. Her name was Margaret. She was 72, retired, and loved her morning walks, until they started hurting. It began as a mild ache in her calves, but within months, even a stroll to the mailbox left her legs feeling sore, stiff, and strangely heavy. Her doctor told her it was part of aging. "Just slow down," he said. But slowing down wasn't who Margaret was. One afternoon, while flipping through a health magazine at the community center, she stumbled upon something that caught her eye. A simple 7-day meal plan, built around beets, salmon, spinach, and bananas. The foods weren't exotic. In fact, most of them were already in her kitchen. But what stood out was how the plan connected these everyday ingredients to circulation, muscle repair, and inflammation, the very things she suspected were behind her leg pain. So Margaret decided to try it, not as a diet, not as a quick fix, just as a quiet promise to herself. 7 days, 3 mindful meals each day. She started her mornings with Greek yogurt, banana slices, and a sprinkle of nuts. At lunch, she made vibrant salads with roasted beets and spinach, drizzled with lemon juice. Dinner was simple: salmon baked with olive oil and herbs, alongside sweet potatoes or wild rice. She blended smoothies. She drank beet juice. She didn't count calories, she just nourished her legs. By the 5th day, something shifted. She noticed she wasn't wincing as she climbed the stairs. The usual ache that followed her walks didn't show up. Her legs felt lighter, stronger. And by the end of the week, she realized she had walked a full mile without needing to sit down once. Now it's been months. Margaret still follows the plan, not rigidly but lovingly. She says it's no longer about food, it's about freedom. The freedom to walk, to move, to feel strong again. All it took was the right fuel. And sometimes healing begins with what's already on your plate. So the next time your legs feel tight, tired, or unsteady, remember, it's not weakness, it's a signal, a quiet nudge from your body asking for the right support. And now you know how to answer. With beets to open the blood vessels, salmon to calm the fire of inflammation, spinach to rebuild what's been worn down, bananas, when paired correctly, to restore balance and coordination. These aren't just foods, they're fuel for freedom. But there's still one thing we haven't talked about. One small everyday habit that most people do first thing in the morning, without realizing it's quietly draining their leg strength with each passing day. Even the best foods can't undo its effects if it goes unchecked. In the next video, we'll uncover exactly what that habit is, and how a simple shift could unlock even greater strength, balance, and energy than you thought possible. Because healing doesn't end here, it begins.